She's a Mona Lisa.
Judge me.
Everyone's
I have
lining
more.
up to see her.
I don't think about the memories I've been too focused on my energy, serenity. Found who I wanna be, the girl I see. She's finally free. You called me on a Sunday night. I wasn't trying to have some stupid fight, more drunk.
Alright, hi guys. So my sisters and I just came back from a run, and earlier I made the celery juice again. Do you guys see that? Okay, so I'll explain why. My freaking neck is red, but we made celery juice. Not we, I made it because she made me juice it. We're gonna take a drink because I think it's been a while since you guys seen me drink this. It's really, really gross, so I don't drink that much. Okay, this would be good enough. This is really gross.
She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see. See, Jane, why you staring out the window?
Oh my god, that is so gross. So right when we went out to go run, my mattress came home. This is what it looks like. I think it's a 𝗃𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Let me take it out first and then I'll show you guys the details of it.
Get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you move, baby, you're so fine. Your hips swing like God's design. I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine.
Okay, so the bed is like deflating, or yeah, it's inflating. It's inflating. I was saying deflating the whole time. I'm sitting on the floor right now because I want to explain to you guys which bed it is and where I bought it. So I ordered the, I think you call it Zenus or Zinus, their memory foam 12-inch queen mattress. I will take a screenshot of the Amazon link right here, and I'll also put it down below for you guys. I also bought their, I think it's a 7-inch or a 9-inch box spring as well, because the mattress and the box spring has like a pretty good amount of good reviews, and I mean, who can say no to like a 200 mattress that's memory foam? My last mattress, I think I've had it since my 8th grade year, so it's been roughly 5 years, I think, and I think you're supposed to change your mattress out every 6 years or something like that. So I just thought, you know what, might as well just get a new mattress, and why not just upgrade to a queen, because I've had a full since 8th grade, and I don't mind the full size. I just wish I had more room to roll over or something. So yeah, I'm really excited because it's memory foam, and I've never had a memory foam. My last one, I think it was just like a regular mattress, you know, but this is memory foam, so I'm gonna have like a really good sleep. So I have to do laundry. It seems like every time I film for you guys, I'm always like washing clothes or like washing my sheets, but it's like, dude, that weekly sheet wash, it really does like get to you whenever you're like, oh dang, it's been like 2 weeks now, I should probably wash them. Okay guys, we're going to the Publix, or we're going to the Asian store only. We're going to the Asian market and the AC. I'm gonna pump gas first, guys. I wanted to get more cheesy corn dog. I want to make stuff to make 𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀. What's that? Oh, I want some of those. What do you mean? What's that? It's, oh yeah, and we're gonna get kimchi. We're at the Korean market, and I don't know if I got all the ingredients, but I got most of what I need. I'm just gonna wing it because I don't really know what the actual ingredients is, but I just got the tok and red pepper paste, and I think I need fish cakes, but I'm gonna try it without it and just add some like noodles in to see if it's good. I'm so excited. We got kimchi, the easy bake of the 𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀, and then I got pepper paste too. I'm so excited. We're gonna go again Monday, but I'm gonna take my mom, and then I'm gonna have her buy me even more stuff. Okay guys, so I'm making the instant 𝘂𝗵𝗁 that we got from the store. I read that you're supposed to soak the stock like in water. Apparently it makes it less hard when you make it or something. Girl, it takes more than one in your hand, just rub it in. The next morning, I didn't film like anything else after I put the bed together and stuff. I was just like so exhausted, like I was so tired. I genuinely think that I like keep straining my wrist, my right wrist specifically, the one that's holding up this camera. Actually, I feel like it's like it's not broken, it's just like if I keep going on being really careless about how I do things with my wrist, this one, like it's gonna break one day and I'm not gonna even know because I'm just so used to like the pain feeling. Okay, I had to like prop you guys down, but okay, don't mind me, I look like a mess. And yes, I'm wearing this very Asian grandma style, mom style pajama shirt. I have matching pants with it too. You see, my mom gave it to me. Don't judge me. It's really comfortable, okay? Like it's really cute, very floral, very Asian like. Be on the lookout because I'm gonna keep wearing these. They're really comfortable, okay? Go to Ross or TJ Maxx, they sell it really cheap too. Okay, so about my wrist, okay, I know that I push my limits sometimes. Like I just am an independent woman and I just like I keep doing things that like I should usually ask for help, but I just do it anyways because I'm like, oh, like I could do it myself anyways. Like, you know, like it's like, oh, I don't want to ask somebody else, I'll just do it myself, you know? If I turn it to the sides like this, like it's fine right now, but when I do this, like especially right here, like did you guys see that? Like right here, it starts to, you know, ache a little bit. I should probably go and see somebody for this, but like I'm not going to because I'm Asian and Asian people don't believe going to like the doctors unless you're like dying. Guys, guess what came home? Dude, I think it's been like 3 months. No, that's exaggerating. Maybe like 2 months. I have more to my Blackpink collection. I bought the black and the white version of the 𝘂𝗵𝗄𝗏, their first album, and then I bought Lisa's photo book. This isn't the big like real one because the big ones I think it's like $100. I technically have all of Blackpink's albums, but let's unbox it. Sorry I look bad, guys. I showered. I'm just chilling. Dude, literally I should be doing homework right now, but I'm not. Okay, I'm opening up the black one first, guys. If you guys are interested in watching this, you guys can just skip past because like I don't know, I love watching these and I hope that I get Jenny's photo card. Apparently there's an app that you can use and it like it starts singing their song, but oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, first you get the CD. Oh shoot, very cute. I wish I had one of theirs that was like originally signed by them. Should I look at the photo card now? I got Jisoo, how cute. Okay, I got the group photo card and then I got Jisoo for both. Cute, love her. And then, oh, this is the lyric card. Cute. And then this is their photo. Oh, look at Jenny. Oh, she's so pretty. I'm gonna look at these after because I want to see which photo card that I got from there. Okay guys, I'm editing right now and I just realized that my little camera just stopped recording and I just didn't get to show you guys what else I got inside of the other two. I'm just gonna send in like a photo for you guys to see. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Okay, I just want to show you guys like my collection. Oh my gosh, it's kind of embarrassing to... It fell. It's kind of embarrassing to show the fact that like I put money out for this. You know, I'm not ashamed because I actually really like their music. I don't know what they're saying, but it's good. So I stacked it up to make it look presentable for you guys. So let me show you guys. So these are the new addition to the collection. And then we have ourselves the album and then the first version of the light stick. I don't have batteries in it, so it doesn't light up, but these sides, like, they make noise. These two, Kill This Love and then How You Like That. Yeah, it's kind of not an addiction. It keeps falling. Yeah, I want to start a new collection. I just don't know which one I want to waste all my money on yet, so...
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?